Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable cookie consent design with OneTrust step by step clearly. To enable cookie consent design with OneTrust, start by logging into your OneTrust account. Navigate to the Cookie Compliance tab in the main dashboard. Click on Cookie Consent Design from the available options. Select the website for which you want to configure the cookie consent design. Click on the Edit button to modify the cookie consent settings. In the design settings, you can choose the layout type. Options typically include simple banner, modal, or full screen layouts. Select the color scheme that aligns with your website's branding. You can adjust the text for the consent message to ensure clarity. Customize the buttons for accepting and rejecting cookies as needed. Set the necessary options for displaying the cookie policy link. Once you have made all design preferences, preview the changes. Review the appearance on desktop and mobile views for compatibility. After reviewing, click on the Save button to keep your changes. Go to the Publish tab to make your cookie consent design live. Select the appropriate publishing options based on your timeline. Finally, confirm by clicking on the Publish button to activate the changes. Test the implementation on your live website to ensure everything is functioning as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.